to stay consistent, I'm doing something with my hair today, so I said, hey, why not make a video out of it?
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you.
I'm doing an oil treatment on my head. I do it quite often, but I'm not washing my hair. Just to add some moisture back into my locks, I'm going to do it dry, if that makes sense. I've done it before, so it doesn't look extremely dry, so I don't have to do too much or stay under it too long. But just before I start the work week, I think I'm just gonna do like a nice little quick oil treatment. This is the oil, Island oil, that I usually use. I've been using it. I love it. My hair loves hot oil treatments. This is the oil that I want to try. My sister has been dying to try this oil, and so I've been helping her look for it in Canada, and it was hard to find. Majority of the stores didn't have it, sold out of it, or sold the brand but didn't sell this. So it like has 17 essential oils. So the ingredients, I'm not gonna read like the scientific words because I probably can't. So there's olive, which they say is fruit oil, corn oil, sweet almond oil, eucalyptus oil, leaf oil, tea tree leaf oil. I don't know if I'm saying this right. Jojoba. That's how I say it. Jojoba. Is the J silent? Okay, forget it. Horsetail powder. Peppermint. I love peppermint. It gives you that like that tingly feeling on your scalp. The other last two ingredients, I have no idea what they are, so maybe I'll put it up here somewhere. Shake the bottle well. Apply the oil directly to the scalp using the applicator tip. Massage oil into your scalp well to stimulate your scalp and warm the oil. Apply oil evenly every other night. The brown speckles in the bottom of is the horsetail powder. Oh, hence why you have to shake it up. I didn't even notice that. Is this closed? Yeah, let's shake it up. But you know how like some people like heat up their stuff on the stove or whatever, whatnot? I believe this is the one that says that's what you do. I don't do that because I go under a heating cap. So to me, I'm going under a heating cap, right? So it's gonna heat up the oil on my scalp anyways. Anyways, that's just me. Okay, so it kind of looks like this after you shake it up, right? For the sake of the video, I'm gonna try to be nice and kind of separate my hair and go by section by section. But normally that wouldn't be me. So should I just do what I would normally do? Okay, let me just take the front out.
I need to put on the AC, I'm getting hot. Especially since I've learned, since I did that last video of me washing my hair and I realized that I have low density hair. Well, I already knew that. But just the way it soaks up water, you know? I was like, yo, I need to make sure I get moisture in my hair and keep it in my hair because I don't like the dry look, right? Look at, I'm itching my scalp. Okay.
I really want to do both oils. But I'm not. I'm going to stick with this oil because I already know this oil is blessed. So I'm going to put that away. Save that for another time. And we'll start. So how I do it, honestly, I just start to pour it in my head.
Should I turn around? Okay, I'll try. Okay, so I just go from one side, and as I feel it, I move on to another side, and keep going like that until I feel I've covered that section.
Once I'm done, take my hands and kind of like just give it a quick massage in the scalp to make sure that you're getting everywhere. And the oil that you just put on the scalp, you can actually just finger comb your hair for it to like kind of go through, right? Now, it does smell pepperminty, and I'm going to do the same thing to this side. So now I'm going to do the same thing to this last side. And you're not using a lot because you see I still have a bottle. Now some people I know wash it out. I don't really, why would you wash it out? You want the oil in your hair. So I don't wash it out. It doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna put a little oil, extra oil, on my ends before I put it in the cap. And let's rub that in. Now some of you might think that this is a lot of oil, but I'm telling you, nah. I use that much, which I don't think is a lot. All right, so I think I'm all oiled up. And now I'm just gonna put it under the plastic cap. Oh, one more thing. This girl at the hair store recommended this with another oil to tackle the bald spot. I didn't end up buying the other oil because I bought it once upon a time. I think it's called Wild Growth. And I didn't like the scent at all. So I'm not using the Wild Growth with this, but I'm gonna take a little and I'm gonna put on the bald spot. Now, so that's it. And now I'm gonna sit underneath the heating cap. This is the cap that I got off of Amazon a while back. I think it was under 20 bucks. I'm gonna have to look it up, and if I find it and stuff, I could send a link. It does heat up pretty well. It has a little controller. It has high, low, of course, and then off. I literally just put it on high. It does have a drawstring back here. I have problems with it. I tie a knot, and as you see, the knot's still there, and it really didn't do much justice, so whatever. If you guys have a better version of the heating cap, I mean, absolutely, please do share. I just noticed the zipper. I'm trying to figure out what it's for, but I don't know, don't care. So yeah, so I'm gonna go under the heating cap for roughly about 20 minutes, and then I will come back and see how my hair looks and feels. It's on. It turns red. So I'm gonna eat some food while I sit under here for 20 minutes, and I'm gonna read, and I'll be back. I stayed under a little longer than I should have. Ooh, that was hot. Can you see that my head kind of sweated? Kinda. Let's see the hair fall. This is my favorite part because it just kind of like lies kind of flat. I I could feel the heat throughout my hair, and it just falls. Like, my scalp is not dry. That's what we're looking for. And now that I realize that my hair, I have to fight with it and actually put heat on it to get the oil to penetrate through to it. Now I'm back on the oil grind. Let me do a quick twist like I normally do, and then I'll come back. So this is what I did for the week. Let me see what I've done to my hair. It's not bad. You can't even see where if I screwed up in my parts or anything like that. That's actually not bad. I like it. It looks full. You can see like the middle of my hair is shorter than like the ends of my hair, is because this section is actually locking up, so it's shrinking faster than these sections. But that's my hair for the week. I actually like it. Hopefully I got them all. This is what it looks like. If I could just push it up like that, I will. When I go to work, I don't wear those loose bonnets. I just put this over my head, right? But you see how it's so loose? Like, I have a small head. It is so loose, right? So what I've been doing this week is actually sticking hairpins in it. So in a nutshell, whether you even have loose hair or you have locks, it's good to do a hot oil treatment. It penetrates through your scalp. Whether you have low porosity hair or you have thick density hair, hot oil treatments do work. When I was a loose natural, and if I find a picture, I'll put it up, and I started doing deep conditionings and hot oil, my hair grew. I think I dyed it, which ruined my hair, and that made me chop it all off and do the big chop. I know the first year they say do not put anything in your hair, all that stuff, so spritzing it with rose water, and that's about it, was what I was doing. But going forward, because I'm into my second year, I really don't like the dry look so much, and I really do want moisture in my locks. I want them to look healthy, feel healthy, and be healthy. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.